A cell phone plan costs $20 per month plus 10 cents per text message. Write an equation representing the total monthly cost, Y, for X text messages. Okay. Well, we want to see if we can write an equation here, and then we want it in our form of Y equals mx plus b. That's our goal. Y is the total cost, and X is the number of text messages. Our two values they gave us here is $20 per month plus 10 cents per text message. Okay. And we want Y is representing the total monthly cost, right? So although this part here says $20 per month, we want to find just the cost of 1 month here. So although this looks like a rate, and the way the problem's written, it is just our single individual value that we have to pay each month. It's like a step thing, standard cost, 1 month, $20. So that's going to be our y-intercept. So if we've done 0 text messages when x is 0, we still have to pay that $20 per month. So that b value is 20. Now our m value, this is what's changing. It's a changing variable in the sense that the more text messages that we send, that cost goes up. And x represents the number of text messages. So if we have 1 text message, we multiply 1 by our text message rate, which is 10 cents. 2, multiply that by 2, and so on and so forth. So our slope, or our m value here, is 0.10, or it is 0.1. So now we can write this as an equation representing the total monthly cost. Remember, y is per month. So y, the cost of per month, is equal to our rate, 0.1, that's cents per text message, x, plus a flat fee of $20. And so here we have an equation that represents our scenario, y equals 0.1x plus 20.